Yeah?
There's so many people walking down the street.
Just do it.
Oh yeah, I don't know if I want to shit my pockets.
Hurry up. I'm like really scared.
It's not an easy jump, dude. I'm not that tall. I'm not even as tall as the fence.
Just try it. If you don't make it, it's fine.
If I don't make it, I'm just gonna break all day.
Just come on.
I feel like the worst influence on me ever. I do all kinds of shit I should never do.
Keep like... See? That guy was yelling for you. Did you hear him?
I don't think so. God, I got too much shit in my pockets. I'm nervous.
Lay it on the ground and I'll grab it.
That was so bad.
You only have like 2 more chances.
I have no end game. I just totally ripped over myself.
Should we abort this mission? What is that, like a run through? Nobody's watching you. Oh shit, watch out. Come on.
Stop! I'm trying to call people. Okay. What are the chances I could just go up and swim right over?
I don't know. I have faith in you. Let's see it. Come on.
It's so hard because there's no like traction.
You're like so nervous.
I'm so nervous because I have no fucking chance. If I end up paralyzed, you have to call my mom and dad.
Okay, I will. Drop, come on. This is like really anticlimactic.
Oh, no.
Try. Okay. Try.
Was that really good?
Try one more time. And like, that was pretty bad. So if you can't do it, we'll just forget about it.
I can't get a hold of it when I first go up. That's my biggest problem. That's one of my problems.
This is the last chance. Ready? This is the last chance.
This is gonna end badly. Not good at all. need to tell me that I didn't already know. I fucking landed in the middle of a fucking barricade.
Are you okay?
Let's go eat.